हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी का प्राइशियो यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम इस वीडियो में कवर करेंगे एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस बेस्डली ऑन क्लास 10 के लिए है। साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स का मेन टॉपिक जो है लाइफ प्रोसेसेस के लिए। दोस्तों, ये जो वीडियो है हम आपके डिमांड पे बना रहे हैं। बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ने हमें मैसेज किए, कमेंट्स किए, इवन हमें कॉल भी करके बताया कि सर आप प्लीज़ हमें एमसीक्यू दीजिए जो कि हमें जो भी एग्जाम्स अगर स्कूल में होता है या तो सीईटी के लिए उसे यूजफुल होगा। तो हमने बहुत सारे एमसीक्यू निकाले और जो भी सीईटी एग्जाम्स के लिए है या तो एनटीएससी, अगर आपके स्कूल्स में कुछ अगर ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्जाम्स अगर कंडक्ट हो रहा है तो उसके लिए आपको बहुत सारे यूजफुल है। इवन आपके आईआईटी जेई एग्जाम्स के फाउंडेशन के लिए भी ये यूजफुल है। तो ऐसे सारे के सारे एमसीक्यूज हम आपके सामने लेके आ रहे हैं। तो प्लीज क्वेश्चन देखिए और उनके आंसर देखिए। अगर आपको डिटेल अगर आपको आंसर्स का कुछ चाहिए तो आप प्लीज टेक्स्ट बुक रीड कीजिए, उसका पर्टिकुलर रिस्पेक्टिव आर्टिकल्स। ओके, तो चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। द वन सेल थिक वेसल आर कॉल्ड capillaries. Option number 3 is the correct one. Blood pressure is measured with an instrument called sphygmomanometer. Option number 2. All is true for blood pressure, but blood pressure remains the same across whole body. Option number 1 is the correct one. The kidneys in human beings are a part of the system for exertions. Okay. Option number 3 is the correct one. The xylem in plants is responsible for transport of water. Option number 1 is the correct one. The loss of water in the form of vapor from the aerial part of the plant is known as transpiration. Option number 2 is the correct one. Phloem is a vessel in the plants which carries prepared food to the other part from leaves. Option number 3 is the correct one. Next question. Phloem tissue also contains companion cells. Option number 3. The process by which food in leaves is prepared is photosynthesis. Option number 4. The content in the root hair make cell cap. The rate of transpiration depends on the plant condition and the surrounding. Option number 3. The removal of harmful and unwanted toxic waste products of metabolism from the body is known as excretion. Option number 1 is the correct one. Next question. More than half of total blood volume is the plasma. The circulatory system of human is composed of blood vessels, blood and heart. So option number 4, all of them is the correct answer. Next question. The force that blood exerts against the wall of vessels is called none of these. Option number 4 here is the correct one. The pressure of blood inside the artery during the ventricular systole is called systolic pressure. Option number 2 is the correct one. The process by which green plants make their own food carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide enters the leaves through the tiny pores called stomata. Option number 4. The autotrophic mode of nutrition requires sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. So option number 4, all of them is the correct one. Or if and suppose only one option can be asked in the question. Next question. The basic function performed by living organism to maintain their life is called life process. The process of acquiring oxygen from outside the body and to use it in the process of breakdown the food source for the cellular need is called respiration. Option number 2 is the correct one. Dash dash is the process in which the substance synthesis are observed in one part of the body or carries to the other part of the bodies. Transports. Option number 3 is the mode of nutrition in which the organism cannot make its own food from simple inorganic material and depend on other organic for its food is called heterotrophic nutrition. The fluid reaching the end of collecting duct is called urine. Option number 2 is the correct one. Dash dash is similar to blood plasma but colorless and contains less protein. Limes. Option number 3. The dash dash also removes bacteria from tissues. Limb. In the human heart, blood passes through the heart twice in one cardiac cycle. This type of circulation is called double circulation. In respiration, energy not converted in ATP is called converted into heat. Plants breathe through tiny pores in the leaves called stomata. Option number 4 is the correct one. Which of the following are the stages of respiration in the correct order? So option number 2. Breathing, gases, transport, tissues, respiration and cellular. Option number 2. The most common substrate of respiration is glucose. Option number 3 is the correct one. Dash dash comma dash dash are two modes of nutrition: autotrophic mode, heterotrophic mode. Option number 1 is the correct one. The organism which carry out autotrophic nutrition are called autotrophs. Option number 2 is the correct one. The circulatory system is responsible for transport of various substances in human beings. True. Option number 1 is the correct one. Dash dash are thin wall blood vessels which carries deoxygenated blood from different organs to the heart. Veins. Option number 4 is the correct. सो दोस्तों ये थे कुछ MCQs जो बेस्ट थे ऑन टॉपिक जो कि आपके एग्जाम्स में यूज हो सकते हैं CET के लिए या तो आपके इंटरनल स्कूल्स के एग्जाम्स के लिए। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ।